Syllable. Let's now look at the structure of the syllable. Minimum syllable. A minimum syllable is the syllable that has no onset and no coda. For example, you can look at A. It has no consonant in the beginning or in the end. O, whereas M and Sh are concerned. For example, sometimes we only say the M sound, right? So we do it in agreement, giving somebody agreement. So according to the phonetician, this is also a syllable. Similarly, we say sh. We use sh sound to ask somebody to keep silent. So according to some phonetician, there too are syllables, and they are the minimum syllables. Some syllables have onset. For example, ka, it has onset ka, but no coda. Ki, mo. Some syllable may have no onset but have a coda. For example, am, it has no onset. Ought, it has no onset. Is, it has no onset, but it has a coda. M, t, and z. Some syllables have both onset and coda. For example, hut, ha and t. Sat, s and t. Fill, f and l. Zero onset. If the first syllable of a word begins with a vowel, it can be any vowel except u, that is, we have in put, which is rare. So generally, it is fixed that which sound begins a syllable. So we do not find this sound in the initial position of a syllable if there is no consonant sound. Similarly, when we talk about the initial consonants, so we do not find any word in English language which has this sound, no start. It always comes in the end of a syllable, right? So no syllable is found which starts with this sound. However, so far as this sound is concerned, that we find in measure, j sound, right? There are very few words in English language which begin with this sound. For example, one of the very known example is genre, right? So this word begins with this sound, and there are very few words because this sound is borrowed from French language, in which it is frequently used. So consonant clusters. So this is very important topic, consonant clusters. There are certain possibilities of consonant clusters being used in onset, and certain possibility of consonants being used as final consonants of a syllable. As we just said, that certain sounds are not possible in the initial position or in the final position. So this is the structure of the syllable.